Hey everyone, it's Rodney Ross with Mid-State Welding. I make videos of our projects taking you along to see what all MSW is all about. If you're new to the channel, click subscribe and ring the bell to get notified every time I post a new project.
All right, we got our landing, our lower landing, 3 piers, ready to go.
As you can tell, we wheelbarrowed all of that. On what not to do, don't use wheelbarrow for that much concrete. I mean, it was a lot of work. So lesson learned, we're gonna rent a mud buggy next time.
Well, here we have it. 3 piers with anchor plates. We got ourselves a 6x6 pad for the landing of the stairs, and then our 5x5 for the landing. Whoever thought welding company would be all about doing some concrete? But hey, part of it. Almost forgot what it was like to do a lot of concrete and get it all over the place. And let's say today was a long day, but it felt good to get a full day's in. So yeah, one day at a time, I guess. Is this a lot of work? There's a lot of work. And we're not done yet. Still got the stairs to do. What's up everybody? This is Rodney with Mid-State Welding. And just about to finish up this beautiful deck here. And we got a couple screws to finish up over here at the end. And then, as you can see down here, we're gonna finish the stairs today. So, should be a good day. Project's been definitely a good one. So, we're just glad that our customers are happy with what they've seen so far, and we hope to continue to surprise them and hope for more decks like this to come. So thanks.
Each year I'd have to get out here, sand it down, and restain it.
To complete this project for Matthew and Brittany. They've been awesome customers.
It was definitely a replacement for us. We had actually gone on a little bit of a vacation and came back and realized the death wobble that it had when we got back and decided we wanted to reach out to Facebook and ask some people for some recommendations. Rodney had actually reached out to us directly and said, hey, would you be interested in a steel deck? So we had asked him for some pictures to kind of show us. We actually really liked it and decided, hey, this is the direction that we want to go. So if they're looking at a deck like this, and especially going with Mid-State Welding, my biggest recommendation is don't be afraid to ask questions. The questions are huge. You know, you want to make sure that you have the answers because you don't want to get halfway into a project and it not be what you were anticipating. Letting them actually do the work for you. That was, if we had to even remotely contact any of the engineers or the city or anything like that, that would have just put more stress on us. Let them handle it. That's what they're there for. That's their expertise. We have no idea for any of that. So that would be what I would highly recommend. We can actually come out, even though we didn't do the work. I mean, I'm not going to take credit for the work by any means, but as homeowners, like sitting down and seeing the home improvement that you had done to your house, I mean, it's a huge accomplishment.
The smiles on their face that each day we had something new put up, because that's what we shoot for. We want satisfaction. We want them to be happy with the product, and then whenever it's done, they can be sitting out on their deck and get to enjoy their summers, their falls, and just enjoy the view. And so we were glad that we could do that. So if you'd be interested in a deck like this or something similar, you can find us at midstate-welding.com. We do serve the Black Hills areas of South Dakota and eastern Wyoming, and we pretty much can do custom all the way from wood like this to Trex to even tile. Options are endless. And you can also reach us on Facebook at Mid-State Welding, and on Instagram is Mid-State Welding also. And we hope you have a great day.